guys.
Hi.
What are we cooking today?
We are cooking chapati.
Some soft layered chapati. Yeah. And what do you have as ingredients?
Flour. And
Salt.
and
Vinegar.
No, cooking oil. Cooking oil. We don't need
oil.
vinegar. Yeah. And what is this?
I don't.
Butternut squash.
butternut.
Okay. Let's peel it. Then we take the seeds out. We scoop the seeds out.
Not us now.
And what is the first step? We need to boil. Yeah, we boil it. Yeah. So now our butternut squash is ready. So
Blending.
yeah, so it's ready for.
Blending.
Okay, let's do that. So guys, our butternut is ready for blending. Can you do it, Jaden, for us?
Okay.
Yeah. What are you doing? Okay, Jaden, go ahead
Okay.
and blend it for us. No, you need to face it. Add some water. Yeah. Are you done?
Yeah, the dust is ready. So we are going to leave it to an hour.
To leave it to rest for 1 hour, yeah?
Today we are going
Yeah.
to...
How many chapatis you can make from that dough? Yeah. Who can give it a good guess? How many chapatis can you make from that dough?
1, 2,
No, just give it a guess.
5,
Huh?
7.
No, not 7. Yeah.
Okay.
32.
About 30 something. Yeah. Okay. That's enough. Let's give it to rest now.
Can I
We
do
are making small balls. Then.
So we put this one in.
Then we oil. Let's oil it. No, I think there's much enough, Jeremy. That's enough. Then we put some oil. We oil it.
Yeah.
Then we cut. Like how many?
4.
No.
Is this
Rolls,
one? Is
yes.
this one? Whole
This
one?
one. That's one bowl.
That was 4 minutes.
This is how you roll it. Place it there. Put one more.
Now
roll
we are
it like this?
Now we are being here in 4 minutes. Okay.
Then you roll one more time. This is how you
don't
do it. Then you do like this.
Can I try?
Yeah, try this. Roll that one. You can roll this one.
Is this
Roll
a
it.
good one?
Yeah, that's good enough.
So I do like
You're
this.
doing it well. Yeah, that's nice.
Is this a good one?
Yeah. Then you
That's a
place it
bad
there.
one.
Well done. You did a good job. Yeah, so now our balls are ready.
So now we are trying to
Make what?
round chapati.
Shaped chapati. The round shaped chapati. Yummy, yummy. Jaden,
Not
come
dry.
do it. Yeah, try. Do it. Yeah.
Just do this.
Yeah. Do it. No, not like that. Let me open. Let me open.
But it's this.
That's right. And in the meantime,
What?
our pan is getting.
No, wait, me.
Hello.
But why not?
Yeah.
Why not
One
this
soup.
way?
Yeah, that's cool. So the pan is almost hot now. We need to pre-cook it. So now our pan is hot. We pre-cook it, yeah? on
Yeah.
both sides, yeah? We place it on the pan, yeah, like that, and we pre-cook it.
Can I touch it?
After 1 minute, 2 minutes. On both sides with no oil. We pre-cook on both sides, yeah?
Yeah.
You don't use oil when you're pre-cooking. We use oil later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You burn it
No, it's not yet burning.
on the whole side.
Yeah, that's why it's bubbling up like that.
Why is it a big one? Mama, I'll use some cook and I'll do like this. With
Turn it the other way. Turn it.
Mama,
No, use your hands.
Huh?
Use your hands. So we have started to put oil now. We are oiling the chapati. This is how it's supposed to turn like golden brown. As you keep laying up the rest, putting on some oil.
Right. It's finished now.
Yeah,
Chapati.
the chapati is ready. Time to eat. Yeah,
Jeremy.
Jeremy, you're going to break. Wow, it's in layers. Can you tell
There
yours?
is 3 layers.
Yeah. Yeah. More. Look at that. It's in layers. So nice.
yummy.
Delicious.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Delicious chapati. Good job for helping me to make this. To see the effort, your efforts were worthy. Yeah? Jaden and Jeremy. Thank you.
Welcome.
Do this again. I want to see the layers. No, like this. Yeah. Just smooth. Oh. Wow. So yummy.